Okay, you've got to, I'm just setting your clock out today. The time chain is unwound, so you have to wound that. Both the strike and the chime chains are wound because I had it in the silent position on the lever. So you can see this lever just here. This is where you switch from Whittington to St Michael's, to Westminster, sorry, to silent. So this lever controls the chimes, okay? So I'm just going to turn the hands around. Right, so at the moment it's in the silent position. So I'm just going to change that to the chime position. Right, okay, that's in Westminster chime. It's just activated the chime. Sorry, that's Whittington chime, sorry. Okay, also these clocks will sync themselves, so you haven't got to worry about them being out of sync. They'll synchronise themselves with the corrector cam located in the front of the movement. So that's struck 4 o'clock, which is exactly what it is, and then you can move it now again and you'll activate the Westminster chime. So you can have it on Whittington or Westminster. Okay, in order to kickstart the balance, fully wind at the centre arbor. Like I said, both left and right are wound, so the centre one on the front of the clock, wind that up and then gently just give the floating balance a gentle rotational to encourage the aperture and to engage the balance. Okay, that's all you need to know. This clock's coming out to you this week. Enjoy and thank you very much.